Hey everyone, this is Sultan with WPFunnels, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use upsell offers in your sales funnels. So let's begin. Now, when you're creating a funnel, normally there are two ways to make upsell offers. One, you can make an upsell offer right on the checkout as an order bump. So this is usually a case where when someone is about to purchase something, you make a bump offer with a better alternative. Someone is buying a microphone, you offer a better microphone as an order bump, which maybe cost about $20 to $30 more, and people can choose that instead of what they're about to purchase. So that's one way to make upsell offer. The other way to make upsell offer is to make a post-purchase offer. So this can have different scenarios, such as when someone is purchasing a product, right after checkout, you make an instant offer on another relevant product they can buy, or you can make a better alternative offer, or maybe offer some bundle that goes with that. So in this video, I'm not going to show you the order bump one. I have a separate video for that. So I'm going to drop a link in the description on how you can use order bump for your upsell. But in this total video, I'm going to focus on showing you how you can use post-purchase upsell offers in your sales funnels. Okay, so let's begin. As you can see, I'm on the funnel canvas and I'm creating a basic 3-step funnel. So I have 3 steps. One is a landing page where I'll be offering the book. Once they like this, they're going to go to the checkout page to pay for the book, and then they're going to get a thank you page as a confirmation. Now, what I'm going to do in this funnel is I'm going to offer a specific book called Atomic Habits. To do that, when you're creating a funnel, you need to assign that in the checkout step. So for the checkout step, click on this icon, and here, click on Add Product, and then search for the product you want to sell. So I'm going to choose Atomic Habits, which I have a book in my store. And you can see this is a $20 book. What I want is someone will come to this funnel in the landing page. They'll see that, okay, this is a book about atomic habits. This is the benefits they're going to get. And if they like it, they're going to accept it and they're going to enter the checkout page, and then they're going to pay for it. Okay. And once they pay for it, they go to the confirmation page to know that their order has been taken in, right? So that's the typical funnel journey of a single product, right? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it one step further. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add an upsell in between. So after someone pays for the book in the checkout, which is about $20, I'm going to make him another upsell offer before he goes to the thank you page. Okay. In this upsell, I'm going to offer him another book, which is from the same relevant category, and give him a small discount so that he can think that, okay, this is a good chance to buy a second book. So what I'm going to do is instead of $20, I'm going to charge him about $16 for the second book. So altogether, from the same customer, I'll be making about $36 without even having to spend anything extra on acquisition. So that's what I'm going to do in this funnel. So in this journey, to do that, what I'll need is I'll need to add an upsell step in between. So all I need to do is hover on this arrow, click on plus, and then choose the upsell step on the left side. And here I can import a template or create one from scratch. So let me just import a template. Okay. And there you go. You can see the upsell has been added after checkout. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign the product I want to offer as upsell. So if I click on this icon, here I have the option to add product. I'll click on this and then search for the product I'm offering. So I have a book called Think Fast and Slow. And that's the one I'm going to offer as upsell because this is pretty much relevant to the previous book I'm offering, which is Atomic Habits. Both are productivity books. Okay. And here what I'm going to do is instead of selling it at $20, I'm going to add a 20% discount. The person is going to just pay $16. And that's just about it. So let me just save it. And there you go. Now my funnel journey is ready. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to customize the landing page first. So when you have the funnel here, you can click on the edit icon for your landing page, and it's going to open up in the edit mode for the landing page in any page builder that you're using. And then I'm going to customize this page according to my need. So let's say I'm going to replace this page with the book cover of Atomic Habits right here. And there you go. So now this is apparent that this page is about the Atomic Habits book. So here I'm going to rename it Atomic Habits. And here let's just change the text to your productivity guide, Atomic Habits. And here I'm going to add some benefits about the book. Okay, So I'm going to change this text to this, and then I'm going to add more blocks to this. So if I click on add element, and then let's say I'm just going to add a small text just to indicate the price over here at only $20 and 0 delivery fee. So I'm gonna make this offer with 0 delivery fee. I can see there are some spaces there, so I'm gonna change the style, and in the advanced, let's just change the padding to 0. And for this text, I also need to add some style here, so I'll just gonna add some padding in top. So whoever comes to this page, they'll know that they're gonna get an offer on Atomic Habits, and this is the landing page hero section. Then there are more sections to be worked on in this page, but for now, for this video, I'm just going to leave it up to this. Whenever you're creating a funnel for your products, make sure to customize this whole page so that you can convince your buyer that this is the right product to purchase, right? So I'm going to click on publish. Now let us take a look at how the landing page looks in the front end. As you can see, this is how it looks. Okay, so a person knows clearly that this is the book I'm selling, and they can purchase it at $20 with 0 delivery fee, right? Now if I go back to the canvas, let us take a look at the checkout page, and you can see this is how it looks. So I have to customize this as well. So I'll just go ahead and edit this. I'll have to change this image. So I'll just replace this with the image of Atomic Habits again. I'll just change this to Atomic Habits, and let's leave it to that. Okay. And if I go back to the canvas, I have my upsell page, which is again something I need to customize. So I'll just edit this. Wait, before you finish, here's a special offer. Get 20% discount. Get thinking fast and slow at only, so let's say at only $16. So I'm just gonna offer this at $16 instead of 20. So that's what's gonna be written here. So that's about 20% off, right? There you go. If I want, I can add some description here. I'll just change this image to something for thinking fast and slow. So there you go. And I'll leave it to that. Okay. Now, one thing you should remember, that when you're using upsell offers in your funnel, you have to use our widget. In fact, in every step we have our own widget. For example, if I go to the landing page, you see this button. This is actually a next step button, which is a widget of ours. If you're using Gutenberg, then this will be a block. If you're using Divi, it will be a module, and so and so. And the other page builders we use, if you use Divi, it will be a module. If you have any other page builder to use, then you have to use shortcuts in this place. Okay. If you go to the checkout, this checkout form is actually our widget. So in the checkout step, when you edit it, you need to drop the checkout widget. For the upsell, if I go to the upsell step, these buttons, which is the accept button or the reject button, these are our widgets. So basically we have one widget for this, which we call the offer button widget. If I scroll down here, you'll find this, the offer button. If I drag and drop this, you'll have the options right here, and you can choose this to be accept or reject. So when you choose the button action as accept, it means whenever someone clicks on this, they'll be accepting the offer. And if you choose this as reject, then whenever someone clicks this, they'll be rejecting the offer, just like I have it in the second one, which is also the same widget, but it's the type reject. So in this page, a person can accept the offer or they can reject the offer. And the best part is, if you have one of our supported payment gateways connected to your WooCommerce store, then this can be one-click upsell. So for example, if you have Stripe connected, so after the checkout, when the upsell comes up, they can just accept it with one click or reject it with one click. Okay. So once I'm ready with this, I'll just go back to the funnel canvas and let us take a look at how this looks in action. Let me preview the landing page. And this is my landing page. If I click on get the book, it's going to take me to the checkout page. And here I can pay using my payment gateway, or let's say I'm just going to choose cash on delivery. And then I'm going to place order. And there you go. Now I get an upsell offer. And here I can see that, okay, I have a 20% off. I'm going to only pay $16. Okay, let me just add it to order. And there you go. It's a one-click upsell. And in the thank you page, you can see I have both the books added to my cart. So this is one way to set up one-click upsell for your funnels, where after someone has gone through checkout, you make a relevant product offer as upsell to make this customer spend more. So you have more order value from every customer. All right. So that's how easy it is to use one-click upsell in WPFunnels. Now, I'm going to create a couple of more short videos after this to show you different scenarios of upsell. For example, there is a scenario where you can offer a compact bundle as upsell. For example, if you're offering one book, in the upsell, you can offer a bundle of 5 books at a discount. All right, that's one scenario. The other scenario is you can have multiple upsell offers. So after you have offered one upsell, whether they accept it or reject it, after that you make them another upsell offer which they can accept or reject. There could be a fourth scenario where you may offer a better alternative which is more expensive, but they can take it with one click instead. And finally, I'll also create a video to show you how to create a tripwire funnel using upsells in your funnel journey. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next few videos of upsell. Please make sure that you're liking and subscribing this channel and follow through this playlist, because after this video, the next few tactics are going to be pretty interesting, which I'm sure will be very useful no matter what business you're in. Okay, and the way you use upsell varies depending on your business type. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.